Sketchpad Pro, just if you are trying to use this as your online platform to make your character. So first you'll go to the site that I put up there, and then you click on this. You need to take a screenshot of one of these. So if I went back to the element superhero here, I would take a screenshot of her. That's what I did first. And then I go to my Sketchpad Pro. I click on the little picture diagram. And when I click on the picture diagram, I'm going to look at my screenshot. I'm going to upload it. Now, at first, it's going to look like you can't see the whole thing, right? But it's actually just zoomed in. So you can zoom out to see the whole thing like this, or then you can zoom in to do just little parts of it, right? You can use the hand tool here to go up and down. So I'm going to use the hand tool. Let's say that I am going to start with the top of the face, and I want that top of the face to be this green, right? I can start with it and I can color in the green top of the face with the pen tool because it's a little more detailed, right? And I can color it in like this. Okay, I can also use the paint tool here in green, and it would be a little less detail, but I might be able to get some things. So you might want to do some things with pen, some things with paint here, like this, if I wanted to do that. Okay, and then it will automatically just leave it there. You can also use the sketch tool. Let's say that I want to make her mouth blue here. Right, I can draw the mouth. And you can use all these different tools. You can see that if you want to make your model, your bore model, you have this tool here that gives you the zoom in and then zoom back out if you want to, and it should, and you're going to want to download it like this. Okay, or you can use this to download it and it saves it as a ping. That would probably be better if I want to save it as a ping. So the little picture frame allows you to save it as a ping, and then you can open it as a ping here. Oh, actually that's a good little point for me because I guess you need to make sure that it's zoomed completely out when you download it so that you can see the whole thing. And this hand tool allows you to move around. So I want to make sure that the whole thing is in the frame. And then I save it as a ping, which is this ping file here. And then I can open my ping file. And now you should be able to upload this. Okay, so that's one option for you if you are